Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID is active in settings. This links iMessage to your account. Once done, toggle messages on so your phone number and email appear for sending. Make sure the person you'll message is in contacts or type their number. iMessage will auto-detect blue bubbles for Apple users. Now tap the new message icon, enter a contact, and focus on choosing text, photo, or audio. This first step sets up how messages route and sync across your devices. You compose by tapping the text field and typing, then enhance your message. Tap the app drawer to add memoji, stickers, or GIF. Use the camera to attach photos, press and hold to record video. To emphasize, press and hold the send arrow for bubble or screen effects. When in group threads, use inline replies to keep context. Use tapback for fast reactions. These choices affect tone and clarity, so select attachments and effects that match your intent and recipient. You finish by tapping send and watching the delivery status. Blue bubbles mean iMessage, green means SMS. This explains feature differences. Make sure read receipts are enabled if you want recipients to show as read, adjust per contact or in settings. If a message fails, try toggling airplane mode, restarting your iPhone, or turning iMessage off and on. These steps reset network or iMessage activation. If problems persist, verify Apple ID and carry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.